That's the result. I thought you put the result inside find variable, not find string.
What? I didn't get it.
You put a string there. What happened to the find variable? Better.
Do you match it up with while?
You are not done now. Why are you going to go and do the last one? You've not done the middle one.
Mm.
If the user sentence in reply starts with day and ends with year, you've not done that one. You've not even done the one that says instances of find of white spaces and print the position. You've not done. There are two outstanding. You've not done. I don't think that's what we did in the last class. So I don't know. You have the code in front of you and you still didn't do the correct thing. Have you not seen where you have search? The first time we learned about search, that's the very first thing we learned. RE dot search. You've not seen that you are searching for if the string starts with today and ends with Thursday. There's no STR in this one. It's not compulsory. The thing that is there for STR is reply. There's no STR for this one. So you have to use the string that is there for this one. The string that
Okay.
you are searching is the string you are searching is reply, not STR. I just said something now. The string you are searching is reply, not STR.
Okay, sir. I removed the STR.
So put reply now. If you remove something, put on the correct one.
I didn't remove anything.
You just removed STR now that you type. So put the correct thing that should be there.
Yeah, I removed the STR.
Did you hear what I said? And I said, go ahead and now put the correct thing that should be there. If you look at the example on the left hand side, there's a string called str. That's not the name of the string. The name of the string is reply. Reply. That's where the string is, not another find. Then fix that string that is there. That's look at how it is there. Today and Thursday. Re.search. Today, Thursday. So it's not that's not the way it is on your own now.
I'm so confused.
Simeon, look at the string on the left hand side. The first place that you say re.search, the first line that has X assignment operator re.search. Look at the string there and arrange what you have there in line to match up with it.
I should match up which one?
Can you see
Yeah.
that string that I'm annotating here? Can you see it?
Yes.
Do your own code to look like that.
I should put STR. Wait.
Is there any STR in your own code?
No, it's reply.
So why are you not putting STR?
Yeah, I've already put
Can you
reply.
see the string on the that string where it has today that caret sign dot star Thursday? Have you seen that string? Does your own look like what is there on the left hand side?
Okay.
Where's the dollar sign? Better. So It's not finished though. Go and look at the code now. You still have other things to do. Are you not with your phone?
I am.
Uh-huh. So what's next on your phone? Your phone you said um find all instances of white spaces and print the position of the first one and position of the last one.
You have printed. I don't get it. I don't know what you mean.
Can you go back to code from the last class? Look at the place where we're looking for all instances of white space. I think that was the last thing we did. All instances of white space. That was the last thing we did with search. So you make your own to look
This
like that.
this one.
Did you hear what I said?
You said this is the last time we did.
Oh, so why are you still asking me?
Do I do it after the print or before?
It be after the print now. After the print, but before that reply thing. Because it too will have its own print.
Okay, sir.
Not printed anything for you. You need to print something for you. You need to print start, and I think there should be one that has end. X, just
What?
like you have X start. What did you say? Lowercase x. It's not showing this thing. Are you sure it's not because of that something that you type under? If it's not showing it, then just type. I don't know. How you're going to do it. Type it by face.
Okay,
Then do the end. X dot end. The next print statement. X dot end before reply. Print. Print. X dot end.
okay,
It's
sir.
a method. Have open and close parentheses. Yeah. Okay. All right. I think we can test it now. Okay. So wait, hold on. Let's see why what let's see if we can make sense out of this. The first print statement says print find and it found one instance of E. The next time we said search for day, where it starts with day and ends with here. And we see none, no one matched with it. Um and of course yeah, so that next one obviously there's nothing inside, so it will still print none. Then we now search for the white space. So now, based on what we are seeing there, one and two, does it agree? Is one is position one actually where the first white space is in your sentence? What was the sentence you entered again?
I like football.
Okay, so what's the first white space in I like football? The I is position zero, right?
Is
So after position zero, we have position one. So that's the first white space. So where is the second the let's say the second white space? I don't. So why is this supposed to say two zero one two? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Try another sentence. Let's see. And this time type something that actually has starts with day and ends with here. Let's see if it will be able to figure it out.
okay, sir.
Go ahead and hit enter now. Let's see.
Okay, sir. Sir, please can I go get water?
Let's analyze this one. Then we can go. So that's in four E in four places. Um, let's see your sentence again. The the lesson I had was here. Okay, so there's one E in day, the second E in lesson, the third E in here, and the fourth E in here. So that's four. Okay, so that one is all right. But why is it saying none for the second time? Did you notice that it's saying none?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's saying none? Because it's not supposed to say none. Because you understand, you said if you search for sentences that start with day and ends with here, and you have day and here. So why is it saying none?
Because I put small letter.
Eh. So why I think initially you put ignore case there, you now remove this. You remove and I was not the one that told you to remove. I just said let your own match with what is in the code on the left hand side. But because the question now said there should be ignore case so that whether the person types capital letter or small letter, it will still work. You now took that one out too. Anyway, so I guess okay, well let's see the next one. Three and four. White spaces. Is it correct? The lesson I had was here. So the first white space is between day and lesson, right?
Yes, sir.
Zero, one,
Yes.
two, three. Okay, you can go and get water. Then we'll come back and do the next one that should actually match it correctly.
Okay, so now.
Okay, Simeon.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. Okay, so this time, in your example, let's just verify that your code works. In your example, this time, make sure that the day starts with capital letter T and the here starts with capital letter H. You understand? Let's
Yes,
try
sir.
that. Let's see if it will show none again, because it's not supposed to show none.
Wait,
So you
yeah,
can type
book,
that
okay.
same, just type that same sentence. But be careful. I had was here. Aha, better. Now hit enter. Let's see. Okay, so it's a bit different now. It actually matches. It says the lesson I had was here, so it shows there's a match. Okay, that's good. Okay, please enter a sentence. Okay, now type stop. Type
Okay,
stop.
sir.
Just type stop your sentence.
You stop.
Okay, so it actually stops right now. Do you know that this program could have still continued if you did not type stop in exactly small letters as you typed it? Excuse me. Do you know that?
You,
You didn't know that. You told the
you, sir.
program while stop, small letters stop was not in reply. That it should continue the while loop. That's the reason why it stopped. It's because you typed stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you typed something different, it would have continued. So I always want you to do your programming in such a way that whether the person types any, once you say type stuff, whether the person types capital letter or types small letter or types a mixture of small letter and capital letter, your program should be able to catch all those instances and tell the person and still give the person the expected result. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So what can you do to fix that?
By putting ignore case.
At which point are you going to put ignore case now?
What do you mean?
And now you said if by putting ignore case, I'm saying at which point will you put ignore case? I'm talking about the while loop. Oh. I'm not talking about regular expression. Ignore case is okay for regular expression. I'm talking about the while loop.
Uh,
Okay, so I'm going to type something now and send to you in the chat box how the while loop should be so that anything the person types, as long as it looks like stuff, it will still work.
okay,
While
sir.
reply, okay. So your first reply to my question was ignore case, but I told you that that one is for the place where you have um the regular expression, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this time, your code is okay, oh, but let's just fine tune it more. So this time now, you will copy. You know the things you will copy now. You just copy from where
Yes.
you have reply with, and then yes, that place. Yes. So that's what you're going to copy and paste.
Can you go to your room, please?
Okay.
No. Can you go to your room? No. Why?
Sharon, it will soon be done, please.
Oh, yes, sir. So I told him to come into my room. To come into his room because it's my room because I have work to do and I really want to study. So I told him to come, but he doesn't want to listen to me. So right now he's in my room and the laptop is in his room. And he has a table in his room. So I don't know why he doesn't want to come here.
Okay. Simeon,
Okay, he's here now. Bye bye, sir.
Simeon, I can give you
Was
time.
getting a charger. I want to I don't
Okay.
know.
Simeon, just get the charger quickly so that the laptop doesn't die. Okay. All right. Now remember. Okay. Football. Okay. Now remember to add ignore case for that second search. No, not yeah, that's good. That's where to change first. Change that one. Then we'll now add ignore case for that second reply. Yeah. Okay. That second search. Another find. Where you have another find. Yes. So you can put dot Ignore case. Okay. All right. So I think okay. All right. So I think we can now test it again. What does it say?
It says, do you
Oh,
mean strip?
SCR has no attribute. Oh, skip. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, is it okay? Yes, stream is I think I mixed up that stream with
JavaScript.
this JavaScript. Yes, it's script. So help me change that stream to script in the while. Yes, exactly that place. Okay. All right. So I think it's yeah. I think it's working now. Okay. Now remember. Now this time I'm going to put that sentence that you put back there. The lesson I had was here, but deliberately change it, put it in small case. Let's see if it will escape. If it will escape checking the way it escaped that last
It
time.
works.
Did it? It worked, right?
Yes, sir.
Worked because we put ignore case. Well done. Nice one. Okay, now try it with the exact this thing. The lesson I had was here. Capital letter C. I guess that one too should work because it's not case, so it doesn't sense. Then we'll now do stop with capital letter and see if it will work. Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Go ahead now. Try the lesson I had was here. Let's see.
Again.
That's this time. Yes, but this time with the capital letter, in the right places. Okay. Okay. Did it find it? He said none. Okay. Why did it say none? I'm curious. Because he said they and here. So okay. Hmm. Lesson I had.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did now, Senior, can you see why it said none? Can you see the reason why it said none?
Uh,
You can't see the reason why. Me, I can see the reason why. Have you seen it now?
no, sir.
The full stop that you put. Have you seen that full stop that you put there?
Oh,
That was it. So
my
that's what
gang
ruined.
gang.
That was what ruined everything. But it's fine. At least we know why the program is acting as it's acting. So just remove the full stop. Perfect. And it finds it. Okay. All right. So let's try stop. But this time, capital STOP. Let's see um it's going to if it's going to actually stop. Because we told it anything that looks like stop, the person should. You didn't do capital letter. It was capital letter that I said you should do.
Oh,
Anyway, okay. I believe you have a better understanding of the things that you covered in the last class, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Again, we have spent the today's class on doing the homework. No, there's um I think it's okay, Sha, but I would have really liked it if we went further. If we would do that on Tuesday.
Yes,
All
sir,
right.
sir.
So do you have any questions? It's okay, no problem.
No,
Any,
sir.
so remember to
Oh,
save it as is it homework 46 on okay, learning more about Regular expressions, abi. 46.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Yeah, bye, sir.
All right. Bye.
Have a good rest of your day, sir.
You too. You too. Bye.